The next type of graph is an ogive, or sometimes it's called a cumulative frequency graph. And this is a line graph where the height of each dot represents the category's cumulative frequency. Construct an ogive, or cumulative frequency graph, to represent the data. Label the axes. So we've already created a line graph as well as a dot plot for this data. Now they want us to construct an ogive. So we're going to be looking at the cumulative frequency of these categories. Now my first step is to draw my axes, and then I want to plot my dots. And the height of each dot is going to be the cumulative frequency. And then I want to connect the dots, and this would be my final answer. And just to recap how we read this, 7 has a cumulative frequency of 9, which means that 9 people sent 7 text messages or less.